Hello everybody, how are we all today? Blowy out there, innit? Ooh, 10.5 windy. Now, this week, because if you've been watching the channel, our Aldi's is closed now for 2 weeks, and I do like shopping at Aldi. So, and I don't usually plan ahead with what I'm going to do, usually what I decide to do on the day, I'll do. Whether it works, whether it doesn't. Sometimes I get good food, sometimes I get bad food. But this week, because our Aldi is closed, I've had to plan ahead for the week, if you get what I mean. So I've decided to do Nat's family favourites. A week of doing Nat's favourite foods. Nat's food, she likes comforting food, if you get what I mean. So that's what we're going to do this week, a nice little playlist of Nat's favourite foods. And we're going to do this. Family favourites. This was £2.99p from Aldi. So that's quite good value, isn't it? I think they're about 19.95p from the shops. You get 5 sachets in there. You get a shepherd's pie, spaghetti bolognese, a chili con carne, beef casserole and a sausage casserole. So today we're going to be doing shepherd's pie. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay then, I have got 500 grams of lamb, minced. Oh, this is all from Aldi's. I've got a little bit of cheese at the back there, I don't know if you can see it. That's just to go on the top. And I'm going to have my potatoes, I'm having half and half with sweet and mash. 2 onions, 2 carrots, a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree, salt and pepper, and your sachet. I suppose a lot of you have had them all before, don't you? Schwartz. Just add lamb, onion, carrots, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, peas and mashed potato. I've got peas in the freezer. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, and we're just going to cook it. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's easy enough to cook it now. We all know how to cook shepherd's pie, don't we? There's the ingredients and the nutrition. Anyway, first things first, what we want to do is get my potatoes on to boil. We'll leave them boiling there, out in the background, out the way. And in the meantime, we'll get ourselves a pan. Gonna get a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm going to fry up the onions and the carrots first. Get the onions in now, fry them all up. Nice and simple. Yeah, when I told Nat about this, she goes, oh yeah, nice and homely food. Bit of salt. Salt everything. There we go. Fry these up just for a couple of minutes, just till they start becoming soft. You can do all the lamb with it as well if you need to, but I like to do it separate, what the potatoes are doing. Okay, while the onions are frying up, we're going to make up the sachet. 200 ml of cold water. Sachet in. Yeah. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. So you can put your Worcester sauce in that in if you want to. Give that a mix. That is all ready for later. Done. Back over here now. They've softened up a bit now. Now we'll get the mince in. Season again. I'll season the potatoes when the water starts boiling. So then we just fry this up until it goes all brown. Okay, that is all browned up now. Now we're going to drain that out. Like so, nice and easy. We're going to get the mixture in. Good old shepherd's pie. Good old shepherd's pie. Get it all coated. That's it. We'll bring that to the simmer for probably 10 minutes. And then we'll wait for the spuds. Okay, potatoes are boiling. I've just salted them. I'll bring them across here in a minute. And there is the good old lamb. Smelling delicious for a nice simple one. The lid down so I don't break it. There we go. Right, we're going to get them in a couple of pie dishes. Oh yes. Smells nice actually, to be honest with you. And say you can put in whatever veg you like, can't you? You know. I like peas, Nat doesn't, so I'm not putting any in there. I'll put a few on the side of my plate, I think. Yeah, let's get all this in. Get that extra bit of juice. There we go, that's them done. Nice and simple. We'll wait for the spuds. Okay, potatoes are done. I've just drained them. Let's bring your camera around a bit, there we go. We're going to get a little bit of butter in there to start with. We're going to give it a mash up. Wow, I'm using marge. I'm using margarine. Wow, beautifully buttery. That's what I'm using. Get a bit of that in there. We'll get that 1 minute. Now we will add a bit of pepper to the good old potatoes. And we will start mashing and just add a bit of milk as we go. Nice and simple. Add a bit more butter or cream or whatever you want, can't you? Mash away. I do like a sweet potato, me. You can put some more salt on your spuds if you want, but I'll put it in the water anyway, so I don't really need to. And I do prefer pepper. Okay, mashed with potatoes. I didn't put any milk in the end. I didn't really need to, because I'm having sweet potato. And here they are. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's pile it up with the mash as well, eh? Pile it up with the mash. Oh, hold on. I've got the phone going. Let's get all these mash put together. Like so. Oh yes. Sweet potato shepherd's pie, eh? I'll make it look a bit respectable. There's one. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna brown them up in the air fryer. Says put in the oven on. No point in having the oven on, is there? There's them. And we just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on the top. Get it on there. Just to melt in, eh? There we go, guys. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Let's get it in the air fryer and let's get it all browned up. So, here we are then. Let's have a look. There it is there. Oh, and there's my peas. On the side there. Let me give you a closer look. It took about 10 minutes, 12 minutes or something like that in the air fryer. Just to crunch it up a bit. My bullet peas. My 90p peas. There it is, there's the cheese. Could put a bit more cheese on, couldn't I? A bit stingy there. Well, it looks nice, and it's Nat's favourites. Any Bab? Yep. Nat's favourites. Thumbnail. Smile. No, don't put me. Yeah, because it's your recipe. Well, not your recipe, but your favourites. Hold on. Smile. Say cheese. don't know, eh? Oh, I forgot to make the gravy. I'll make it in a minute offline. Offline when I've finished, because it's going to be too hot sweet now anyway, in it in a minute, do you reckon?
You don't like yours hot though?
No, I don't like mine hot. Let's have a look at yours inside, Bab. Can you see? Because it's all about you. It's all about you.
Yum.
Yum.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's all about
I
that.
just need a little bit of salt, that's all.
Bit more salt.
Yeah.
Bit more salt for Natalie.
Just on my mouth.
Yeah, that's what I say. Everyone in this house likes different salt. I don't like a lot. I prefer pepper. Let me see if I can.
You won't be able to cut it enough.
No.
Just move it all out of the way.
Yeah, I won't be able to. Well, it's going to be far too hot anyway.
You for you, it will be.
Just give them a quick show because then I want to do some gravy anyway.
That's delicious. Try some more.
Let me get a thing out of the way. Get the thing.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That's hot.
It's going to be hot, Bab.
Hot. That's nice.
Let's get one of these and get some out so you can show you.
Actually, we wouldn't need that much gravy. But got gravy at the bottom.
More gravy in there. Yeah, if you pull it out of the, take it out of this, I suppose.
That's really nice.
Oh, that's hot. Show you a bit better now. There we go. Looks nice, doesn't it? Burn yourself, Bab.
I'm trying to eat it.
Matt burnt herself.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to eat this.
You won't be able to eat that yet.
No.
Way too hot for you.
Just trying to show you.
It smells nice. It smells nice in the other room, though, yeah.
Did it?
Really nice, yeah.
Let me have just a little taste.
It's lovely. Okay.
It's alright, isn't it, that? I've got an hard bit. What's that, an hard carrot?
Hard carrot.
Hard carrot.
Don't matter.
Hey, no one's perfect, Bab.
No.
Yeah, I can't eat that. It's far too hot for me. As I say,
That's really nice.
Nat's family favourites this week.
Yeah. Did you mix the mash in? Did you mix the
Yeah,
mash in?
sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Really nice.
Sweet potato and normal.
Yeah, it's lovely.
So you're looking forward to this week?
I am.
With your food?
I sure am. My homely comforts.
Your homely comforts.
Yeah, thank you, Bab.
Made easy.
Well, really nice, that is.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. That's episode 1, and that's family favourites. Shepherd's pie. I'm going to make some gravy now. Till tomorrow. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, what are you marking it, darling? I can't mark it. It's far too hot for me to eat at the minute.
10 plus.
You know, 10 plus. 10 plus for something simple like that. I think that'll probably be a 10 all week because it's a favourite, isn't it? See you later. Bye-bye.